Hi, I'm Tanna, and I want to welcome you to my fan veil workshop. Fan veils actually have nothing to do with belly dance or any Middle Eastern tradition. They are derived from Asian dancing. They are inspired by Asian dancing, in particular Chinese and Japanese. But when they appeared some years ago on the belly dance scene, starting on the West Coast and making their way east, within, I would say, about 2 years from appearance to total adoption by belly dancers. Fan veils became a part of almost every belly dancer's toolkit. They are a wonderfully expressive prop. You can do all kinds of lovely lyrical things with fan veils, but they also have a percussive aspect to hit some drum beats and snap out accents. I never really was an adopter of brand new props. I had my veil, I had my zills, had my cane, that was good enough. But I just fell passionately in love with these when I first spotted them. And for once, I, who very much am a traditionalist, was the first person, to my knowledge, to teach a workshop of fan veils here in New York City. And my love affair has continued unabated. So that's what I'm hoping to share with you is my journey with these, very much a journey of exploration and organic discovery. We're going to go through all of the possibilities that fan veils have to offer, and there frankly are very many of them. We are going to learn how to hold them in our hands, the concept of accents and ripples and flutters. We will then have a section on poses and frames with our fan veils. There will be a section on air patterns, and then on traveling and turning. So I encourage you, relax, get your fan veils ready, take your time, there's no rush here, and let's get started.